Welcome, today in front of me POCO C40, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first let's open the settings application, and after that tap on the sounds and vibration. Then scroll a little bit down and you'll see here the silent mode switcher. Just to turn it on or to turn it off, you should click here once on that switcher. And if you want to silence media in silent mode, you can also use this switcher to do that. Also, we can do this by the second way. Just first you should open notification panel, shortcuts, and after that you'll find somewhere here the mute or just mute icon. If you want to turn on the silent mode, you should click here once on this icon. Now we can see that the silent mode is on, and to turn it off, click here on this icon once again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.